There's mountains left to climb, to new heights, a new air to breathe. I'm a brick, I'm a wall, I'm a fighter, 'cause I don't break when I fall. Yeah, I rise again and stand up to the ones that bring me down. When they try to keep me out, I fight for what I believe and stand up, 'cause there's nothing I can't take. I get stronger.
The all-night queen! Let's all welcome Tanya Morales!
Stand up for the ones who can't stand up. We gotta take a chance, stand up. Yeah, hand in hand, stand up. I will stand up to the ones that bring me down. Yeah, I will stand up and fight for what I believe. Stand up when they try to keep me out, 'cause I gotta stand up to the fires in front of me. Stand up for the ones that stand alone. We gotta stand up together in everything. Stand up, and when you find you're on your own, you gotta stand up and fight for what you believe. Stand up.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Tanya Morales!
Thank you so much. Unang-una po, I'm so, para akong nasa Cloud9 right now, but I'm so excited to share my story today to whoever who needs to hear this, whoever na nandyan ka ngayon, nakaupo ka, and kailangan mong marinig yung kwento ng katapangan na to, and kailangan mo ng dose of bravery tonight. Again, I am Tanya Morales, and I'm a registered nurse by profession. Galing ako sa family of business people, but then I chose to do this business kasi there was a time in our life, especially since I came from a broken family, I lived with my mom, and there was this painful moment that we experienced na bankrupt yung family namin. And you know what? One thing I realized in life, yung mga painful moments pala natin is something that we have to be grateful for. Just like in my life, I'm so grateful for that moment kasi doon ako nagkaroon ng prinsipyo bilang babae na hindi pala pwede na iasa ko yung buhay ko, yung future ko sa kamay ng ibang tao. Not even my parents, nor my partner. And kaya naman, when I was presented this opportunity, as a professional po, I was skeptic before. But then, nung nakita ko, I got so inspired kasi may mga high school grad, grade 1, grade 2 lang yung natapos, humble profiles. But then, they all became successful in the business. And so I told myself, kung nagawa nila, kayang-kaya ko din. And same goes to you! Kung nagawa namin, kayang-kaya mo din! And so I started. Wala po akong pera nung pinakita sa akin yung opportunity. Ginawan ko ng paraan overnight. That was how hungry I was to achieve my dreams. That was how hungry I was to provide the life na nawala sa amin before ng mommy ko. I started this na walang alam, walang experience. Sa lahat po ng mga guests namin here tonight, na wala ka ding alam, wala kang experience, I always believe that there's a purpose why you are seated here tonight. Nandyan ka sa dinami-dami ng pwede mong puntahan. Nandyan ka and nakikinig ka right now. Maybe this is already the answer sa tinagal-tagal mo ng pinagdadasal na pagbabago ng buhay. Kasi para sa akin, this is also my answered prayer. And so, I started my journey and I started it in Cebu. Sa lahat po ng mga Bisaya na nandito. Kaway-kaway naman po and sumigaw naman po dyan. You know what? This business taught me how to be flexible. This business taught me na pag tayo pala, lalo na sa ating mga babae, if we want to be successful in this lifetime, kailangan tanggalin natin lahat ng mga kaartehan natin. And kailangan natin na mag-humble down and kailangan natin na tanggalin lahat ng mga alam natin sa labas. Kasi kung yung mga alam natin na yan, hindi naman tayo ginawang successful yan. Well, kailangan nating matuto ng mga bagong bagay. And you know what? Lahat pala sa buhay natututunan. Yun nga lang, hindi lang natin napag-aralan paano yumaman. But you know, in this business, good news is, walang pinipili kahit sino ka man. Kayang-kayang pag-aralan paano yumaman. And so, what happened to me, after 2 years of doing the business, I became part of the Millionaires Club and I was able to buy my first car. It's a Toyota Fortuner. You're very blessed. Ask me why. Kasi po, kami when we started doing the business on field. The conventional way of network marketing, but ngayon, may mga yumayaman in 6 months time, 1 year time. Why? It's because the advent of online. Kaway-kaway naman sa mga naging milyonaryo dyan ng mga months lang, mag-ingay! But I'm so grateful because during that time, hinubog yung character ko. It's not about the million. It's not about just the first million. It's not about just the first car. It's about the person that I've become in the process. Isang babaeng napakaraming takot, napakadaming insecurities sa buhay. But because of this business, nabuo po yung kumpiyansa ko sa sarili ko. And I got so empowered na abutin lalo yung mga mas malalaking pangarap ko pa sa buhay. And so I continued on with my journey. And the next chapter in the journey, dinala po ako dito sa Manila. Ang Bisaya nakipagsapalaran dito sa Manila. And I know marami po dito na Bisaya ka, you migrated here. And I am so grateful for this journey. Up until now, it's been 8 years that I've been here in Manila. And dito ko naranasan na mas palalimin yung salitang family. Dito ko natagpuan yung mga tao na willing akong tulungan, dapaan, mahalin, kahit na wala akong mabigay, kahit na kulang ako sa tiwala sa sarili, kahit na wala silang kikitain sa akin. But then I felt the genuine love. I felt the genuine care. Thank you so much, J-Lim Project. Thank you so much, Project High. I will never be where I am right now if hindi dahil sa inyo. And because of this business, I've been to a lot of countries. Nakapag-travel tayo sa iba't ibang bansa. And, ayan, nakabili tayo. When we started here, nagko-commute lang tayo. Nakabili tayo ng second car natin, which is a brand new Ford Mustang. And next is, ayan po. Sa negosyong to, hindi po totoo na una-unahan kasi hindi naman po ako nauna. Nasa laki ng pangarap mo, nasa sipag, nasa tibay ng loob mo na magtuloy-tuloy na abutin yung mga pangarap mo. And para sa akin, yun ang basehan. It's not just about the award. Of course, I am so grateful and I feel so privileged to become part of the top 20 for 6 consecutive years now. But being in that circle, mas nag-mature ako mas naging stable yung emotions ko. And talk about income, dito ko po naranasan na kung dati, pangarap ko lang na kumita ng minimum 100,000 per month. But then years after, nagdoble, nagtriple, nag-times 10, hanggang sa nag-times 20 po yung income natin. And take note, pinangutang ko lang yung pang-start ko dito. And, of course, I will never forget to thank the people behind my success. My RIE family, thank you so much sa pagmamahal, sa tiwala, sa support, na I may be standing here tonight alone, but I represent 10,000 of people just like me na nangangarap and tinutuloy-tuloy yung pakikipaglaban sa mga pangarap. Dati pangarap lang namin makapag-create ng maraming milyonaryo, ngayon nangyayari na po. Dati pangarap lang namin na makapag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa together, and ngayon nangyayari na. And we are just starting. And I will never forget my first why. Sa lahat ng mga nandito, alam ko tayo mga Pilipino, makapamilya talaga tayo. And I did this business mainly for my mom. Kasi nakita ko sometimes the world is so cruel pala, lalo na pag wala kang pera. Okay lang na ako masaktan. Okay lang na ako murahin. Pero yung makikita ko na mumurahin yung nanay ko, yung makikita ko na duduruin yung nanay ko, yung nasasaktan yung nanay ko, that lit a fire inside me na sabi ko sa sarili ko, when I have the chance to really earn my own money, sisiguraduhin ko na magpapayaman ako because I am not gonna see that sight again. Hindi ko i-allow na makikita ko ulit yung ganon na sitwasyon sa mommy ko. And because of this business, yung mommy ko po is a spoiler. Spoiled kami ng kapatid ko. Now, it's my time to give back. Na ako naman yung nagsuspoil sa kanya ng mga iba't ibang bagay, mga travels. And for this year, ito po yung regalo ko sa kanya. Alam niyo po ba, matagal ng pangarap ng mommy ko na magkaroon kami ng first house and lot. And parehas kasi kami na naglayas sa amin. And I'm so grateful for this company kasi ngayon natupad na siya. And sabi ko, Lord, kung bibigyan mo po kami ng bahay, I want a view of the sunrise and the sunset all together. But alam niyo po ba, sobrang bait ni Lord kasi hindi lang sunrise at sunset yung binigay sa amin, kundi 360-degree view. And please watch this video. Yan, ayan na po, nandito na tayo sa pinakatuktok and patapos na po ang ating bahay. Konting finishing touches na lang. And ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa place na to is I have a 360 degrees view. Nakikita ko po yung buong Metro Manila. And syempre nakikita din natin ang Sierra Madre. Kahit hindi pa ako nakakapunta dyan, pero nakikita ko siya dito sa bahay na to. And of course, ayan, may view din tayo ng Laguna de Bay. And napakasarap po ng hangin. Napaka-fresh ng dampi ng hangin dito. I'm so excited to finally live here. Palakpakan naman po natin AIM Global! Thank you so much, AIM Global, for making this possible. Thank you so much, Doc Ed. Doc Con, thank you so much. Sir John, Sir FM in Heaven, Sir Jurgen, Sir Arnel, Sir June, the VPs natin, thank you so much po sa lahat po ng management team natin. To my mentor, Mentor Joseph Lim, thank you so much, Upline. Thank you so much, Up Mylene, Ebdane, Up Mike, Up Carlo, my AIM1 family. Thank you so much, Upline Louie Gascon. Thank you so much sa aking mga kapatid na council. Project High, thank you so much. To my RIE Council, Brother Binjun Bunagan, thank you so much. Royals International Empire, thank you so much po. And my last message sa lahat po ng mga nandito right now, pakisabi nga po sa katabi mo, be brave! Pakilakasan, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, be brave! Be brave because fortune is for the brave. Walang ibang gagawa ng success mo kung hindi ikaw. Ikaw ang paulit-ulit na babangon araw-araw kahit anong nararamdaman mo para ipaglaban mo yung pangarap mo. And ikaw ang paulit-ulit na babangon every time na madadapa ka para ibigay ang buhay na deserve mo at deserve ng family mo. Hindi kailangan na maniwala sa'yo lahat ng tao. Ikaw pa lang na maniniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mo. That is already enough. Because believing in yourself is just like saying you believe in God.